Nor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, kabala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Upresiden juga United Democratic Party uba amet baling do uloong bagaseng UDP kampat sang Pyrkhat satya na kabenta Kyrtong ubanyakun ha ka election MP Shiteng Samoi. Uloong bahak ni katayo banwan ka UDP kan sang Pyrkhat ya kini kakam. Susu uloong baka election commission ru kampat penbena ya ka election Shiteng Samoi. Haba keli baka don ni kajing ajumut na kinong ilam jong ka party man penyang Kyrtong. Umet ba uloong ba umpat yo jing tiap ya kata.
Yet, as of now, the party will again sit perhaps by this coming week to again discuss about the progress of the selection of the candidate. But before that, till now we have not received any information so far as the date of the announcement of the date of the election.
So as far as
Nothing as such.
no,
There's nothing as such as of now.
There's nothing as such.
I have nothing to say as far as that.
So it
There's anything else. And we will decide then. How do we move forward?
how about candidate impress
No,
anyone?
nothing as of now. When we sit down,
Anyone
then we will
come to offer?
start initiating about this discussion. Just now also they have not announced the date.